Okay, so if you hear EA games not downloading games or getting stuck on 2%, the same thing was happening to me. So it's either out of two things. I mean, I've been watching a lot of different videos, and the videos I've been watching ain't really been explaining nothing. They've been basically telling you to clear your cache. That didn't work. Restart your computer, re-download the app, all of the basic stuff. So none of that really worked. The majority of the videos that I was watching, they was just basically talking about that. So the only thing that worked for me, which was not in the video, was one of these two things. It's possibly both of the things, but I think it could be either one of the two things. So first of all right, so you would want to change your download location. If your download location is on a D drive, you would want to change it back to your C drive. Because for some reason, well, I know the reason, I'm gonna explain it after this. For some reason, games won't download on the external drive, especially if it's formatted like this. Okay, it won't download games if it's formatted like this. For me, I have it on exFAT because I transfer this hard drive from a Mac to Windows, so that's what works best for me. So if you accidentally have this selected, that's the main reason why it's probably not downloading on your external drive. So go ahead and just select that and turn it back, hit close, start blah, and then it's gonna reformat. But before you do that, it's gonna delete everything on that drive. So you possibly wanna back everything up if that's the case. You can go ahead and pause this too. This is like basically a further explanation of why, especially if it's not on the NTFS, why it would possibly be getting stuck on 2%, because it would start a download, but the download will basically be corrupt. And so you want to change it basically back, from to your C drive. If that's the case for you, go to your C drive, program files, and EA, and then it should download there. If you were on the external drive for space purposes, that's why you would want to, I guess you can go back to EA on the external drive, click on and put it selected there for your download location on EA, but make sure that you reformat the drive and it's on NTFS, whatever that thing was. And that should allow all your downloads to fully go through and stop getting stuck on 2% or freezing the thing from freezing your app. And if your app is froze, all you have to do to clear the cache, which helped me, I guess it helped, but you can hard reset your computer, go to the file location on the external drive and delete the game, delete the file that's on there. Drag it, put it in your recycle bin, right click, delete it, and then hard reset your computer if it's still, like my computer can be froze, so hard reset, restart your computer, go back on, go to the EA app, and then you could cancel the download. And if you probably have to reset, hard restart your computer, you probably gotta do that. But then you hit these three buttons up here, hit help, app recovery, and then you should be able to clear the cache right there. So that's what worked for me. I had to learn about the locations of the drive, or for me, I just went back to the C drive and everything downloaded back. I was trying to download the Skate beta inside the program thing, but it wouldn't allow me, nothing on EA allowed me to download anything. Even the Xbox app does the same thing. You can only download on your C drive. So for me, I had more space on my external. So that's basically the fix for that. If it worked for you, don't forget to leave a like, share, and comment, and thank you. Another way you can support is going on over to my Twitch and give me a follow. I'm going back live in 4 days. My schedules is basically Tuesdays, Fridays, and Sunday. And you can come on over there, show support. I know down below it say kick, but I forgot to change it, procrastination. But I'm on Twitch. So come on over, show some love.